Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria, and I'm actually recuperating from being a little under the weather. So I got my camera on today so you can know that it is me, but that I just sound a little different. So today we are going to focus on introduction to email beyond the basics. There are 8 activities and it's a total of 28 minutes. I'm trying something different. I'm going to break down each lesson. So I'm not going to go straight through for 28 minutes. I'm going to break down these 28 minutes into about 8 videos. So go ahead and buckle up your seatbelt and we will get started. Okay. So as always, the name of this website that I utilize to show the video is called digitallearn.org. Digitallearn.org. I'm going to always advocate that you sign up, create your own account so you can keep track of your learning, and then you can get a certificate with your name on it. If not, you can just go ahead and click the digitallearn.org and learn at your leisure. Okay, so after you have mastered the basics, learn how to do more with your email account. So first up, we're going to do working with attachments. So you're going to learn to view and download files that are attached to email messages that you receive. Also learn how to share files by attaching them to your emails that you send. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Pull up the screen a little. Here's our welcome message.
In the Intro to Email course, we learned how to create an email account, how to log into it, how to open and reply to messages you received, and how to send an email message. In this course, we'll learn about more email features. This includes how to work with email attachments, how to reply all and forward emails, how to use CC and BCC, saving draft emails, how to identify spam and junk email, how to organize and delete your email, and how to search for specific emails. Let's get started with email attachments. You can attach nearly all types of files to an email message, including pictures, videos, or documents. You can attach many files to a single message, but sometimes there is a limit on the size of files that can be sent. We'll follow along with Amy, who set up a new email account in the Intro to Email class. In this lesson, Amy views and downloads files that are attached to email messages she has received. We'll also see how she attaches files to emails that she sends to other people. There are many different email providers. In today's example, Amy is using Gmail. If you use a different email provider, the features may be slightly different, but in general, the features we'll review in this course are included in all email applications. First, Amy wants to view after-school activity forms that were sent by her child's teacher, Ms. Thompson, for her children to attend an upcoming field trip. Then, Amy would like to send Ms. Thompson permission slips and waivers for the trip. Amy opens her email and sees that she has a new message from Ms. Thompson in her inbox. We can tell this message has some files attached to it because of these buttons. Some email accounts will show attachments represented by a paperclip icon. Now that Amy has opened Ms. Thompson's email, she can see that there are 3 attachments. In this case, the attachments are documents. Amy can see small previews of them at the bottom of the email. To view the full attachments, Amy single-clicks on the first attachment to open it. Some email providers will require a double click to open attachments. Amy can click on the arrows to view each document. To close the attachments, Amy can click on the back button in the upper left corner of the screen. Amy wants to download the first attachment so she can have it saved on her computer. First, she uses the mouse to roll her cursor over the file, and several icons appear. The download icon is the icon with an arrow pointing down. Then she clicks the download icon. Right away, the attachment is saved into her downloads folder on the computer. As a shortcut, Amy can click on the file at the bottom of her browser screen to open it. Depending on which web browser you are using, you may be asked to choose where you would like to save the file before downloading it. Amy has successfully downloaded an attachment to her computer. Now, Amy wants to send Ms. Thompson permission slips and waivers for her children to participate in the after-school activity. To do this, she'll attach a file to the message. First, Amy needs to start a new email message. She clicks on the Compose button. Other email providers may have an option that says New Email. In the new message, Amy types Mrs. Thompson's email address in the To field. Since Mrs. Thompson is in Amy's address book, her email pops up right away and Amy can click on it to add it. Then, Amy types in a subject for the email and types a quick message that explains what she is attaching to the email. Now, it's time to attach the permission slip to the email. To add an attachment, Amy clicks on the paperclip icon at the bottom of the message box. This opens a window that will let Amy select the files that she wants to attach. First, Amy needs to find where they are located on the computer. In today's example, the permission slip is saved to Amy's desktop, so she clicks there. Amy clicks on the file named John Medical Waiver to select it. Then she clicks on the Open button. In a few seconds, the file will be attached to the email. If Amy wants to attach more than one file to an email, she simply clicks on the attachments icon again. The File Explorer window opens and files on the computer display. If Amy wants to select multiple files at once, she can use the Shift key on the keyboard. She clicks on the first file she wants to select, holds down the Shift key, then clicks on the last file to select all of them at the same time. Now, when Amy clicks the Open button, all the files are attached to the email. If Amy wants to attach more files to the email, she simply clicks the attachments icon again and uses the same steps again. Amy's message is complete. Now that it includes the person that she's sending the email to, subject, message body, and the attachments. Once Amy clicks on Send, her email, including the attachments, will be on its way to Ms. Thompson's inbox. In this lesson, Amy learned how to download an attachment and add attachments to an email. In the next lesson, Amy will learn how to reply to multiple people who received a message and how to forward messages to others. Click on the blue button to complete this lesson.
Okay, so we have completed activity number 1, working with attachments. I will see you in the next video for activity number 2, reply all and forwarding an email message. See you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.